This is a sample questions for Transport Canada Aircraft Maintenance Engineer Exam for Standard and Practices. Part 5. Before that, please don't forget to like, subscribe so you will be notified for my new video.
Question: what is the location of a title block on an aircraft production drawing? Answer: lower right-hand corner. Question: light lines made up of long dashes alternate with two short dashes called underscore. Answer: phantom lines. Question: what type of diagram locates components with respect to each other within the system? Answer: schematic diagram. Electrical and hydraulic. Question: the most common rivet used in aviation has a dimple on its head. What type of material does this identity have? Answer: 2117T, aluminum, AD. Question: what is the minimum rivet pitch when installing rivets? Answer: 3 rivet diameters. Question: what is a desirable property of a rivet? Answer: it must be soft or comparatively soft to form a good head. Question: what type of load does a rivet take on a properly designed joint? Answer: shear. Question: what angle are countersunk rivets? Answer: 100 degrees. Question: 2 dashes on the head of a bolt or rivet mean what? Answer: composed of 2024T aluminum alloy. Question: nitriding is a process in which? Answer: forms a hard case on a part to resist wear. Question: longer dwell time is necessary for small cracks to be visible. Answer: liquid penetrant. Question: fluorescent penetrant inspection uses? Answer: blacklight. Question: a metallic ring test is the easiest way to say if the honeycomb has become? Answer: delaminate. Question: magnetic particle inspection is used primarily to detect? Answer: flaws on or near the surface. Question: what are the two types of magnetizations used in magnetic particle inspection? Answer: longitudinal magnetization and circular magnetization. Question: what is required to detect fins cracks when doing dye penetrant inspection? Answer: requires a longer penetrating time. Question: what step is to be taken when performing a penetrant inspection before applying to the developer? Answer: drying the part. Question: what kind of NDT inspection requires freeing electrons which are made to drift through metal under the influence of an induced electromagnetic field? Answer: eddy current.
Question: do LEDs refract or absorb X-ray?
Answer: absorbs X-ray. Question: what type of parts are suited for magnetic particle inspection? Answer: iron parts and steel. Question: which method of NDT required the least preparation? Answer: ultrasonic testing. Question: the center head on a combination set is used to? Answer: find the center of shafts or other cylindrical work. Question: on a micrometer, the thimble is in increments of 111,000. If the thimble is turned 1 revolution, how much would the jaws? Answer: 0.025.
Question: what is the best angle for a drill to cut aluminum? Answer: 90 degrees.
Question: what type of bolt would be identified by a triangle with an X in it? Answer: NAS closed tolerance bolt. Question: what is an in 320-10? What does the 10 means? Answer: castellated shear nut 5/0 diameter, 10 equals 10/16 inch, non-self-locking, 18 threads per inch. Question: where is an eye bolt used? Answer: where external tension loads are to be applied. Question: in what class of aircraft hardware, bolts, is manufactured? Answer: Class 3, medium fit. Question: what does mean a bolt with 2 dashes on it? Answer: aluminum bolt, 2024. Question: What is a Joe bolt? Answer: internally threaded 3 pieces rivets. Question: What is the minimum size for a flight control 7x19 cable? Answer: 1 out of 8. Question: What rule should be observed when safetying a turnbuckle? Answer: It should have no more than 3 threads exposed on either end. Question: With what type of cable may the 5-tuck woven splice be made of? Answer: 7x7 flexible and 7x19 extra flexible, 3/32 diameter or greater. Question: The color code for fire extinguishing equipments is? Answer: brown. Question: What neutralizes battery acid? Answer: boric acid or vinegar. Question: What color is avgas 100-130? Answer: green. Question: The water lines on an aircraft are defined as? Answer: imaginary horizontal lines. Question: A honeycomb structure is one that is bonded? Answer: under vacuum and heat. Question: We remove flux from a weld to prevent? Answer: corrosion. Question: When applied to an aluminum alloy sheet, the term alclad indicates that the surface of the sheet has been treated for corrosion by? Answer: coating it with pure aluminum.
Question: Metal of the different groups coming in contact with each other results in dissimilar metal corrosion is called? Answer: galvanic corrosion. Question: The color coding for the engine oil system tubing is? Answer: yellow. Question: When inflating oleos, it is recommended to use? Answer: nitrogen. Question: Surface corrosion on aluminum alloys is easily detected by the formation of? Answer: white deposit on the surface. Question: Pascal's law, hydraulic pressure exerted everywhere is what formula? Answer, force equals pressure x area, F tongue sticking out. A. Question, speed of sound affected by? Answer, the temperature. Question, clevis bolts for? Answer, shear load only. Question, color code resistance first and second values, the third is the? Answer, number of zeros required. Question, what is the general class of hardware in aviation? Answer, medium fit, class 3 fit. Question, resistance increase in resistance as? Answer, the temperature increases. Thank you for watching.